classic black watch. I am the biggest Apple Watch fan in the world. I am also the biggest Casio G-Shock fan in the world. In this video, I would like to compare side by side my two favorite watches, my Apple Watch Ultra 2 and my Casio G-Shock, the square watch, the classic one. In this video, I will talk about features, battery life, build quality, user experience, stuff like that. So if you are thinking about buying one of these, I hope my video will help you to make the right choice. As always, without further ado, let's get started. So first, let's talk about the design and build quality. The Apple Watch is made of titanium. It has a sapphire crystal. You know, some people like it, some people hate it. It is pretty nice. I would even say premium. The G-Shock, it's a different story. It's made of plastic, it's very durable, it's very simple, very cheap, and very light. The only metal part is the back. Otherwise it's made of plastic, but I would say that this design is more unique, it's more iconic. When I see someone wearing an Apple Watch, I don't feel any emotions, I don't feel any connections. When I see someone wearing this type of watches, I know that, you know, we have something in common. The guy has a good taste, because honestly, Apple Watch is a mass market product. Everyone has them, like people who are exercising, people who just like smartwatches, people who like Apple. This is for people who know what they are buying. This is for everyone. So I would say Apple Watch looks better, it has better materials, so 1 point goes to the Apple Watch Ultra 2. But since I like my Casio G-Shock and it has an iconic design, I will also give it 1 point. Next, let's talk about features. Well, obviously, the Apple Watch beats this 40 years old Casio G-Shock. This is the best smartwatch in the world. It has a lot of sports, fitness tracking features. It has like your iPhone companion features. You can send messages, emails, you can listen to music, podcasts, you name it. It has everything. Well, almost. This is a very simple object. I don't even know if we can talk about features. It can show you time. It has a timer, stopwatch, alarm. It also has multi-band 6, so it can automatically adjust time, and that's all. So this is a simple watch. This is just a watch. So if we will compare features, of course, Apple Watch beats the G-Shock. 1 point goes to the Apple Watch. You know, it's not because you have the Apple Watch that you will become a better athlete, a better version of yourself, that you will start running better. It's not like, you know, if you don't have the motivation to exercise, to push yourself, to make comfortable things that are uncomfortable, I'm talking about sport, the Apple Watch won't help you. So if we are talking about sports and performance features, it's difficult to compare them because these are two different products. It's like comparing apples and oranges. It depends. Now let's talk about battery life. The battery life on my Apple Watch Ultra 2 is terrible. Since I'm exercising a lot and I'm using my Apple Watch quite often, I'm making phone calls, I'm listening to music, I'm using Siri, I'm sending messages, reminders, emails. I'm doing everything with my Apple Watch Ultra 2. So the battery life, from my user experience, it's 1 full day with 1 full night of sleep tracking, so 24 hours of usage. It's not a lot for an Ultra product. The battery life on this Casio G-Shock is almost unlimited. It has a solar panel, so it automatically charges every day. The battery here can last over a decade, so over 10 years of battery life. Guys, this is insane. So in terms of battery life, the G-Shock definitely beats the Apple Watch Ultra 2. Now let's talk about price value ratio. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 cost around $900. The G-Shock is around $100, 100 US dollars. So this is almost 10 times cheaper than the Apple Watch. And I think from the investment standpoint, the G-Shock is a much better purchase because this is a 40 years old product. Casio makes these watches for over 40 years, and this is pretty much the same watch. The Apple Watch Ultra, in general, technologies are losing value very, very fast. If someone gives me $500 for this watch, I would be happy. I can easily sell this G-Shock for $90-80, so I will lose just 10 to 20%. I can give this watch to my son. I can, it's a timepiece. This is just a consumable object. It's a technology, so in 2 to 3 years it will be obsolete. So this is a better investment, even though it's cheaper, but it won't lose its value in 10 years. I know people who bought this watch 10 years ago, 20 years ago, and it's still the same watch. It still works. It's still in perfect condition. This thing, like after 1 year of usage, the battery life is almost dead. So from the investment standpoint, it's better to buy 10 G-Shocks than one Apple Watch. The G-Shock is a better value product. 1 point goes to the G-Shock. Now let's talk about customization and personalization options. And here I think Apple Watch definitely beats the G-Shock. Let me tell you why. Because, you can change the watch band, you can change the watch face, you can really make the Apple Watch your own. The G-Shock customization options are very limited. You can buy different color versions. They are making a lot of different colors like the white, the green. There are some limited edition versions. But the customization options on the Apple Watch are almost unlimited. So definitely the Apple Watch beats the G-Shock if we are talking about customization. And now time for the verdict. Which watch is actually better? The G-Shock or the Apple Watch? Well, it depends. It's like comparing apples and oranges. Let me ask this question in a different way. If I would have to keep only one watch until the end of my life, would it be the Apple Watch or the G-Shock? Let me think about this question, because this is a serious question. I would probably keep the G-Shock. You know why? Because it's so much better than the Apple Watch. It's a simple timepiece. It has almost unlimited battery life. It has very simple features. It's just the watch. This is a consumable tech object. It will be obsolete in 2 to 3 years, and I will have to throw it to the garbage. I will not be able to give it to my child or to my grandchild. This is something special. It's a true watch. It's simple, it's elegant, you can use it, you can exercise with it. Of course, it does not have Siri, it does not have emails, it does not have like fitness tracking, but I have a lot of friends who are not using sport watches and they are still exercising, they are still doing sports. So it's not because you have the latest Apple Watch that you will be a better runner, a better athlete, a better version of yourself. So in this video, the G-Shock won the battle. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Let me know in the comment section which watch is your favorite. Would you prefer to keep the G-Shock or the Apple Watch? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.